The type to get my heart broken. I'm not the type to get upset and cry, because I never leave my heart open. Doesn't hurt me to say goodbye. Relationships don't get deep to me. I never get to hold in my faith. If someone can say they love you truly, but it still don't mean a thing. My mind is lost. I'm spinning around, and deep inside, my tears are drowned. I'm losing grip. What's happening? Astray from love. This is how I feel. This time is different, and like I was just a victim, and it cut me like a knife when you walked out